I'm gonna go watch PBS Kids on TV. Hey Mom and Dad, can you put on PBS Kids?
No. Why would we ever do anything for a teenage brat like you? And besides, we're in the middle of watching Charlie Brown Christmas.
Put on PBS Kids right now or I'll call the cops and have you arrested for child abuse.
Ha 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 ha. Travis, just how the heck is not letting a kid watch PBS child abuse?
Oh my god. You guys are idiots. I will be calling the cops on you for all the times you have grounded me and insulted me.
Travis, that's enough. Don't ever talk to us like that. You're grounded until I tell you and ungrounded, which will be never. Go to your room now.
I hate my parents so much. I am so fed up without all of this crap. It's always the same thing. Travis, how dare you do this? How dare you do that? You were grounded. Go to your room now. It's just not fair that my life sucks so much more than my parents' lies do. Once again, it's come down to miserable me in my room. And my parents downstairs. Happily, watching a stupid Charlie Brown Christmas. Clearly, I need some major revenge. I need to teach my parents a lesson that they will never, ever, ever, ever forget. But I wonder how I gonna get this revenge? Oh, I know what I'll do. I am going to give my parents a chance to fill the experience a documentary. And by that, I mean that I am going to do 9/11 to this house. Time to go to the airport and steal an airplane.
Travis, where on earth do you think you're going?
Oh, nowhere in particular. I'm just going on a walk around the neighborhood.
Well, that's probably a lie and you're actually going somewhere like Dave and Buster's. But I really don't give it crap. We'll just ground you afterwards anyway.
Yes. I finally made it to the Go City Airport, and there's an airplane right over there. Oh my god. It is so cool looking in here. I can't wait to fly this thing. Wait, what the? These controls are all crazy, there's so many buttons and levers and stuff. Oh well, I guess I'll try pulling this random lever. Wow. I think I actually got it to take off. Hooray!
Oh look. It's a plane outside.
It seems to be flying awfully close to us.
It's headed straight for a house. Run.
Yes. My plan worked. And I somehow survived due to beyond logic. Well Mom and Dad, why do you have fire eyes?